In this video, we're going to talk about creating a blog post. I'm not going to go over the sidebar. I may touch on it, but more than likely I'm not. I will cover this area in a separate tutorial. This video is going to focus on the different post types. And what we have is, we have what we're referring to as the gallery post type. That's the one with the 3 different images, the standard one, and the video one. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Right now I'm in the admin section. I'm under posts, and then I see all the posts that I've created. Alright, so let's go ahead and create a post that's similar to this one right here. Alright, so I'll click add new, and then I'll just do video tutorial post. Alright, so I'll give it my name. Okay, and so the next thing that's really important is the post type. So we'll see format right here. So I have standard, but I don't want standard. I want the actual, the gallery, what we're calling it is the 1, 2, and 3 pictures. So I'll come to the right, and then I'll choose gallery under format. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is going to drop in some dummy fake text so we can actually see how it formats. Paste in my generic text, do a couple line breaks here. Maybe I'll even do a quick little quote. Alright, let's go ahead and publish. I know I still have a few things to do, but we just want to check progress. Come back to the blog. Go ahead and refresh this. And then we'll see video tutorial post, that's my name, but obviously we have no picture, we haven't done that yet. And then the text at the bottom. It's going to automatically cut the text for you for a read more, or read me in this case. Okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and talk about adding the actual pictures. How do we do that? Pretty straightforward. What you want to do is find the Add Media button. And we're going to create a gallery, but we're not going to insert the gallery. So we're creating a gallery so that WordPress uses that for the gallery post, the gallery preview. So I'm going to click Create Gallery, and then I'm going to upload files. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and hit Open. Wait for those to load up. And then once we've done that, the next thing we can do is just exit out. We don't have to actually hit Create Gallery or save or anything else. It's already added those images to that section. So that's the only thing that we have to do. Exit out. You won't see anything in here that's going to indicate what images you've uploaded. The system knows it because you created the gallery. The only thing you haven't done is insert it, because we don't want to insert it. Update. Come back here and let's refresh and see what we get. And there we are. We have the pictures that I've uploaded. We can see that. Alright, so now let's go back to the post so we can check out some other things. Now, before I move on, really important. See how these pictures are formatted? We have a rectangle here, a square here, and a wide, a horizontal rectangle. 3 important things. You're going to want to upload large pictures. This bottom one right here, if you upload a picture that's not at least 900 pixels wide, expect for it to be cut off. You'll have formatting issues. Same thing is if I'm uploading a shot of flowers that looks like this in a square, and then I upload it to this section, it's not going to look right. So think about that when you're uploading your pictures, and if you have white spaces on the sides, on the top, on the bottom down here, that means your picture is not big enough. So if you upload it, and don't freak out, oh, my picture, it's not showing right. No, check your pictures and make sure they're large enough, at least 900 pixels. In between that and 1200 in width, and you should be okay. Okay, so with that said, let's move on. So if I click the Read Me, what I get is the post. I made a quick little block quote. We see that here. And then that's really about it. So what we're noticing now is we don't have a picture here. You can insert that a few different ways. One is you can insert one up in here manually. So if I enter down and I add a picture by clicking this, I can insert a picture. So I could do that. What I would say and recommend easier and the better way, it's going to fit proportionally and work better for you, is to use the set featured image right here. So I can come in here and I can choose one of these images. I'll choose the guys and then I'll set featured image. There they are. Update. Let's go ahead and check it out. And there they are. Okay. Next thing is categories. Just, you know, set your categories that you want to use. Update that. And that will reflect that in this section here. I'm not going to really go over, you know, standard WordPress 101 things. You know, there's tons of information about categories and tags and stuff. All right. Okay. So that's one type of post we can do. The next post that we can do is just a standard typical one. And I'm not going to go over that too much. Basically, the only difference is sort of gallery. You would choose standard. And then what's going to happen is the picture that you uploaded in feature is the picture that shows up instead. So let me update. Now we got a standard tutorial, a standard picture, you know, not the gallery type. All right, so that's pretty easy. Let me put this back because I kind of like the video. Duh. Now we have the video one. And what we need to do is supply a video link. So if I look at the blog page that we have up now, we'll scroll down and we'll see we have a Vimeo video in here for Once Upon a Time post. So really easy. I set video for this, and when I scroll down, what I need to do is set my link and set it in this box right here. So you add video as main thumbnail. So basically all we need is the actual HTML, excuse me, the URL for the video. So for instance, if I go to Vimeo, I can type, which I can't, and then search, I don't know, weddings. And here, you know, this would be the video I'd want to insert, for instance, and all I got to do is copy the URL out of the browser, pop that baby right in there. Let's update, make sure we have video checked. We do. Let's check our work. And there is our video post. Okay, we got a couple more things to go on. That's just the standard post. What we'll see is, let me find one. I think this one has it. What we also have as options is setting featured boxes, our recent posts, excuse me, related posts. So if we go to this section here, we'll see you may also like, and we have a few posts. To add those, you don't have to add them, it's totally optional, but to add that, you just choose from your list. So if I have some posts here, all I gotta do is do this. I have a Mac, so I'll hold my command key. I'm not sure about PC, maybe it's control, I'm not sure. This one and this one, add it. It's going to automatically add it and update for you, so you don't have to go back and click save or anything. It's an automated process. Let's go check it out. Back to blog. And then, whoops, README. And I'll scroll down, and then what we have is our related posts. Okay, I believe that's it. Let me do one last glance, make sure I haven't missed anything, and I have not. There is a show on homepage feature. I guess I'll touch on that real quick, but I'm also going to mention that again. If you select this shows on the homepage for the feed, for the blog feed. So if you choose to have the blog feed option, which is this thing right here, that's what shows in this section here. Be mindful that videos will not work on this. Now you'll be able to see a post that you made for the video. It's going to pull that featured image. However, you're not going to be able to show the video for it, okay? All right, that should do it.